Hi, this is Mike. For a lot of folks, the most glaring activity restriction they have is their capacity to get up and down off the floor in a smooth and graceful fashion. These two exercises you can put into your fitness routine, and they will pay off in better function when you go to get up and down off the floor. First one is just called a bear hold. We're going to put you in a 4-point position where your hands are underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips. Dig your toes in to the ground. Screw your hands into the floor. Pull your shoulder blades down your back, and you'll create some tension in your shoulders. And then all I want you to do is just lift your knees off the floor and hold that position for 20 to 60 seconds. When you start to feel a little wiggly or wobbly or unstable, just go down and rest. Don't push too far. Do that one time, and then try this one next. You may or may not be able to start out with a lightweight. I just like a simple dumbbell. You could also use a kettlebell too, provided you know how to grip it properly. You're going to lay down flat on your back. The opposite leg is going to be out straight. The other leg is going to be bent and out to the side a little bit with your foot on the ground. Take the other arm out to the side. Hold the implement or just your arm up over your shoulder. From there, you're going to push over to the side. Get the feeling of that going well, where you roll and push with your leg. And from there, you can drive up and pull with your other arm up onto your elbow, and then onto your hand, and then lift your hip. And then back down. Do that one time on each side. Rest a little bit, go back, do another one of those bear holds, and then go back and do another half get up on the other side. So give those two drills a try and let me know how you do. Thanks for watching.